Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Today we're going to show you how to freeze a row in Excel. This feature is super helpful for keeping your headers visible while you scroll through your data. Let's dive right in. First, let's open our Excel spreadsheet. Here we have a sample data sheet with a list of sales figures. As you can see, when we scroll down, the headers disappear, making it difficult to keep track of which column is which. To fix this, we need to freeze the top row. Here's how to do it. First, go to the View tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. Next, look for the Freeze Panes button in the window group. Click on Freeze Panes and you'll see a few options. To freeze the top row, select Freeze Top Row. And that's it. Now when you scroll down, the top row stays in place, making it much easier to read your data. But what if you need to freeze more than just the top row? For example, if you have a complex table with multiple header rows. In that case, you can use the Freeze Panes option to freeze multiple rows. First, click on the row below the last row you want to freeze. Then, go back to the View tab, click Freeze Panes and select Freeze Panes from the drop-down menu. Now, both of your header rows will stay visible as you scroll through your data. And that's all there is to it. Freezing rows in Excel is a simple yet powerful way to keep your data organized and easy to read. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments if you have any other Excel tips or tricks you'd like to see. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.